Hello, how are you, my beautiful divine souls? To everyone that's watching this video, what's tuning in, I send you my love, unconditional love, always. My most beautiful wishes, love, always love. Send you my love to you, all human beings, all living organisms, all living things in this whole universe, and everyone listening right now and watching this video. I love you. I send you, like I said, my love, my vibrations. Hope you raise your frequency, raise your vibration to tap into your higher self. As you can see, we're back in this beautiful place, back in nature, surrounded by nothing but beautiful trees. Trees and all the beautiful animals from nature, the fish, the frogs, the turtles, the stork up there, squirrels, maybe foxes deep in the wood. Oh, there goes a big frog. Deer, water, spiders. It's a beautiful routine. See some people making a hike over there. Got set up by hammocks here to relax after I make this video, meditate. I'm in nature, surrounded. I quiet my mind so I can listen to all the diversity of animals. Well, anyway, so this video, I'm gonna start making the next videos. These are the introductory videos to my page. Actually, it's my page because I have to manage it, but it's actually Nelly Belen's page, my daughter's. As you know by my previous two videos or my conversations, she's a rainbow child born in the year 2014, August 20th, 2014. For those of you who are aware of what the rainbow childs are, or the rainbow children, they are these direct divine souls that have come to earth directly from source, which is God Almighty, the direct source. So they're pure, they don't have any karma, they're pure, and some of them are more advanced than other rainbow children. Some rainbow children have been sent, or they chose to come to earth to a particular family, to a particular person, to remind them of who they are and their mission on earth is. And it's to bring and spread love to all human beings, to make balance between nature, animals, and everything that really matters in the world. And they've come here to teach you and push you to better yourself, to find the higher self in you. In my personal experience, that's what happened to me. you know. And as the time goes by, I'm gonna start go deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper into my experience with my little divine soul and beautiful little goddess, as I call her, Nelly Belen. So pretty much, if you look into YouTube and go, I'm gonna leave a link down below this video with the link from color therapy from Hayden Crawford, one of the famous Australians, spiritual teachers as well, that speak about the rainbow children in more detail, so you can have a better understanding of the nature of these wonderful divine beings. But don't get me wrong, we all are divine souls, like I explained to you. The only difference that we chose to come to have the human experience, which I'm gonna talk in another video. I don't want to confuse you too much with too much information, but if you're somebody that knows what I'm talking about, resonates, for those of you who are already aware of the shift of to the fifth dimension, the shift that Earth's going through and we are going through as a collective conscience, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, as for us, the ones that we chose to come to do the human experience, this is the most exciting time, because this is almost the best part of human history for us to tap into our higher self and get into a higher vibration to get that frequency, which is from 900 megahertz to 1,000 megahertz, which is the God resonance. From that's the one that you can actually get in touch with, you know, when you're meditating with angels, ETs, all these beautiful supreme beings out there that are guiding us and sending us, you know, guidance, spiritual guides. They're sending us downloads and also energy frequencies to our body, and also helps what I've been telling you about, walking and stay grounded to earth, because that raises your vibration, your frequency, and also heals your body according to what you put in your heart, the love, and put it onto your thought, to your mentality, and you will be able to manifest that. So once again, I'm going to show you a little more about this wonderful place. I'm going to keep on walking and see more beautiful life. Hopefully I get to see a raccoon or a fox or something of that nature, which I was running into it. When I'm with Nelly, she's like Snow White. All the animals come to her. It's because she's so pure and so beautiful inside, that her vibration is, it's something beautiful, nothing negative, and everything is pure in her. So all the animals resonate and come to her. So, you know, you'll be able to also, I'm gonna attach a link to her page on Facebook, which is a teaching page on Facebook as well, so you can see all the, you know, all the information that I'm sharing through her, because as you know, we're one and one soul. We're all connected. So whatever I'm feeling, she's feeling. Whatever she's feeling, I'm feeling. So whatever I'm doing is something that she wants me to do. It's through her, or it's through this divine force that's moving all the pieces together up there. If you have more questions about that, in the meantime, you can also see some of the work that, like I said before, Mr. Wayne Dyer has in regards to this. It's about the divine source and our connectivity. Also, Neil Donald Walsh. You can also see Victor Otto, Rob Smart, Teal Swan, uh, Aaron Dougherty. There's also Matias De Stefano, an Argentinian born that also was able to tune into his divine self, his higher self. There's like dozens of wonderful teachers out there. Also, one that I'm gonna mention, and I'm so humble and grateful to call him my friend, and he is a spiritual guide as well. He's a person that has written 4 books and also has won the World Dive Championship a couple of times. His name is Brian Germain. If you look him up on YouTube or on Google, you'll be able to see him. And in the future, I'm looking forward to making a video to him one-on-one so we can explain a little more about these rainbow children, the ascension, and all these wonderful things that's happening on Earth. So I'm getting ready to go do my meditation, tune out. In the meantime, I send you my love, my most beautiful wishes. I see people hiking out there, running in the woods, which is a beautiful, wonderful place to meditate. Once again, this is Donald Cardozo signing out. And also, if you like and resonate with this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to the channel, comment below, and share. Once again, my love, unconditional love. Whoever you are out there, whoever it's listening to, my unconditional love, and more videos to come. And also will be the videos with I'll be able to interact with other teachers or other spiritual beings like Brian Germain in the future, or put some links for you to have more information in regards to this. Once again, love, 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 unconditional love to every living thing in this world, in this earth, Gaia, Pachamama as we call it in South America. And all living things in our solar system, in our galaxy, all the galaxies, all the supreme beings out there, and the universe. Bye for now. Talk to you soon. And namaste.